So okay guys, I have another video. It's another repair. This is a Samsung A12 customer. It's a brand new phone. Customer has things that with a SIM card the phone doesn't detect any network, or it just says searching. Okay, phone is fresh out of the box. So when I check the settings, there's no IMEI number for the phone. Baseband is here. So I'm going to show you guys how I repair this IMEI number using Chimera tool. Now I don't understand that. It's kind of a privilege having Chimera tool, where it is not easily accessible for someone who may not want to make that investment in buying the tool, buying credits, and buying a license every year. So I am going to probably remake this video with another phone. So no IMEI on the phone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use Chimera tool to repair this IMEI. Now I had to pull the IMEI from the back of the phone. It would have been a lot more helpful and more accurate to have the box, but let's assume that the phone is not a refurbished phone because it looks in pristine condition. So it should be this. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put the phone in. I'm not going to use boot RAM mode or anything like this. Here it comes up. So I'm going to allow access to USB debugging. Come on. Now, alright, then I'm going to wait for the phone to generate. Yeah, so this is the phone here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to attempt a repair. Bootloader. Wait, let me see the options available for me. Serial, backup, repair, FRP, network, reset, get information. So I'm just going to do repair. I'm going to patch a certificate, or let me see what I repair. Okay, so this is what I'm probably going to use to do the IMEI repair. And I thought to save time, I've already just threw the IMEI number in my web browser. Hopefully I can paste it here, and I'm going to hit next. Okay, and then I'm going to try to do it with no root, or else I probably have to root the phone. So I'm going to do this. Would have been a good, but it has to be rooted. I don't think I have the customer's permission to lose data, although there may not be any data on the phone to be lost. So I'm going to start this here. Let me see what's going on. It's going to tell you that something about the changing IMEI, whatever. I think, here we go. Starting to repair. Now I am curious to see how this works on probably more freeware platforms. So, because Chimera basically, so here's my time zone because I am in Grenada. Let's see your number, chipset for the phone. CDMA. So this is the phone right now, and of course this is the Chimera dongle. Had it a minute. Phone show Metro PCS. So it's still waiting. I want to keep the screen on to see if there's anything I need to do, because I was trying to get the ADB to the device not ask permission to connect to ADB with this device. So here we go, and it's on, starting. So it's in the repairing IMEI, and I don't have any prompt asking me for ADB connection, but it is waiting for ADB connection. That's what the screen looks like. So I think I may have to maybe wait a while, or if anything I may need to put hold on, it's changing. So I'm just about to restart this whole process and get the imei, get the ADB option. Get the ADB computer to recognize the ADB again. This is looking good, so I guess it takes some minutes. It says it's been repaired. Okay, it's repairing. Okay, and the phone's already restarting. The phone is already restarting. So this is it. It says that it's finished. Metro logo. So probably, yeah, it came out the box, probably updated, and this happened. Or, yeah, customer may have tried to root the phone. I have no idea. It is still searching. It is still searching. So let me just check it. Okay, so let me check. Wrong option. And this is the, and there's the imei number here. I did see an option about patch, certificate patch. Let me just run this. See, I've not done any research on this. I'm just doing it from the, chimera should be plug and play, but the imei is seemingly there right now. Alright, if I go to settings, let me see if it's here. Hold on. And the imei is here. But I'm just going to just patch the certificates. It may not be necessary, but it's just something I'm going to do. Something I'm going to do. Okay, phone is restarting again. I said it may not be necessary. I said this is the very first time I'm doing that. Didn't get a chance to go on any of the forums and check the procedures for chimera. Chimera should be sort of simply plug and play. So there we go. So the video may not need to be 10 minutes long, but the imei number is in there. I also checked to make sure that the SIM card that I popped in there when I was testing the phone is an operational SIM card. So let this phone boot up and I'll be back, trying to keep the video under 10 minutes. Okay, so it's back. And okay, so here's the network information and digital. So I do think patching the certificate is basically an option. It's a thing, because generally I would have in the past worked on blue phones when they would have lost the imei, and it's sort of the same thing. You restore the imei, then you patch it. It depends on what you use. So this is telling me digital, so the network is seemingly up. So let me just check the balance on the SIM card. And SIM card may not be good SIM card because there's like a couple hundred. Oh, this has some minutes on it. So this is the process that I would use to patch the imei number on a Samsung A12, and I would assume that the process would be sort of straightforward and simple for the other series. Now I do recommend patching or updating a patch, because it's a patch certificate, since there was a newer option for the imei repair, but I didn't take it because it would have necessary may require me to root the phone, and I didn't want to go through the hassle of rooting the phone. However, I do not want to do this and then the phone updates again, and so I would have simply used a patch that was available in the same security beta update for the imei patch, the imei repair that is. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you, and again I'll see you in the next video.